I don't know. Where? Can't see it. Yeah. Can't see it. Can't see. There.
Bring it back, please. This is the problem, Nathan. You don't listen. You hear me? Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Listen, listen, listen. You think you'll fix Carl? Bring it back.
It's not coming back.
Well, you've lost it now because you've lost signal.
Should be coming home.
You've lost signal.
Come on, no. No. There.
Look at this. This needs to face your thing. Bring it home now. Bring it home now. Okay? You're bringing it home?
Yes.
Why is it not here?
Because the GPS wasn't on it.
Okay. Let it land now. Don't stand in the garden. Here it's directly above us. Aim the thing above you. This is what a shoulder strap's for. You put it around you and you can put down. Okay? Now you can let it go like that.
What the hell? Oh, no. Down there.
What?
The wind just blew it away.
Have you lost it? Have you lost it? Can you see what's going on? Motor stall. Which house did it crash into?
The one on the left there.
We'll climb over the fence. Get your shoes on.
I don't. I don't know what happened. My drone's crashed.